Hey guys, I'm your host Toy. How's everyone doing today? Today I want to talk to you about another store on Etsy. This one is the ToyMakerCystoms. She is very nice. Her name's Angie. She told me a little bit about herself, so I figured I'd tell you guys. She learned how to 3D print. She learned 3D printing, 3D design, video editing, image making, and image editing, and airbrush painting during the pandemic. She used what savings she had to quit her baking job to pay her bills. While she learned the new skills, she is no expert, but she can find her way around Blender to make her own custom 3D designs. She likes using LED lights, so she tries to find ways to incorporate cool lighting into her designs. She has a few that she designed with lights in her store. For example, she learned how to 3D print as mentioned and purchased one resin printer at first and 3 PLA printers later. Her goal is to fill her store up with as much cool stuff as possible to gain to as she can before she needs extra help. She would like to say she's making more money than she was baking at her baking job, but she's barely making enough money to pay her monthly bills at the moment. She's her own boss now and is working more hours than she was before, but she's hardly feels like work when she's doing something she loves. Business is growing steadily, so she's hopeful one day it will make more money. It's not about the money for her, it's more about doing something that she loved and and she would went back to her old career. She has always been creative type in making and drawing stuff. Now, this is the ToyMaker Custom. Hopefully, and then the first part I wanted to show off is actually a lot of hers is on sale right now on Etsy. It's the Cobra Battle Andrew Trooper charging station. Stop bumping me, puppy. Yeah, and you get one of those for $34.74 right now. It's on sale, 25% off. So that's a good deal for that. And it does light up too. There's another picture of it. But she has this in classified scale and in 3/4 scale also. She also has this safe with the functioning door for $14.99. Doesn't come with the jewels inside though. Then she has a boxing. Let's see. This one is $20. It comes with one stand, 2 sticks, and 2 bags. For $20. It's a boxing bag for Big Boa or the Cobra Troopers. You only get one stand though. So you can have either red or black or whatever you want. Then she also has a table for $11.99, which is a nice size table. And she sells these crates too. They are $20 for a piece. I think you get more than one with this. I'm not sure, but they come in gray and black. I say brown and black or tan and black. Sorry. You get 2 weapon crates. That's right, 2 weapon crates for $20. She also has this awesome sci-fi door. It's $84.99. I should have got a better picture of it, but you can see it all apart, and it makes a door. Then she has the Cobra Battle Bunker for $160, and it does have lights inside of it. It's actually pretty big too. And then she has this version, and for $57.99, and this version of computer stations for all $57.99, and they come with lights that light up in different colors, which is really cool. I have one here myself. I don't have the light on it, but this is it right here. And it comes with 2 of these. I go right on it. I don't know how she made these, but this is really cool. The other one fell off, but it goes right there. It lights up really nicely. If I can find my... I don't see that light anywhere. It's alright. But it does have a light that goes underneath it, and it lights up. It lights up the entire thing. And she gives you a light that has multi-colors on it, which is really cool. And let's see what else she has. I think this... That's everything major I wanted to show you. But she does have quite a few stuff at her store. And it actually takes requests too to make things. So if you want to check her out, she'll make diorama pieces for you. You just gotta tell her what you want, and she'll look for it for you. She'll give you an estimate price and everything too. So she's very nice and very fair on her prices. So check her out. It's Angie at the ToyMakerCystoms on Etsy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.